What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and welcome back to another unboxing. This is another piece to the Rafcave Wi-Fi mesh, AiMesh network. Now, what I have currently is the Asus AC3100. That's down here. Fantastic. Love it. Does everything perfectly for me. Solidified, done. That's not going anywhere. Now, I have another Asus router, the AC1900 68, which I've had for many years and it's been perfect. That is on the second floor in the office. Now, what I want to get is one more AiMesh node to put in the main level. That way I have coverage here, coverage main level, coverage second level in a giant, amazing AiMesh Wi-Fi network that is seamless, smart, connectivity is always there, doesn't disconnect, speeds are great, everything just works great. And also the app itself, flawless. I can see all the devices connected to which node. I can see all the data that it's using. I can rename them. I can put new pictures up in the app. The app is great. Asus is #1 in my books. No Linksys, no Netgear, no nothing else. Asus with AiMesh is #1 in my book, hands down. From all my routers, all my switching, this has been the most reliable. Now, welcome to the channel. I'm Rafcave, home theater inspiration videos, trailer reactions, unboxings, and live content. Smash the like, smash the subscribe, and welcome to the Rafcave Club. I appreciate it. This right here is called Blue Cave from Asus. Now, originally I was going to get another AC1900, the 68 series, just to match what I have up in the office, but I saw about this right here. This is a unique design. It's different, it's cool, and it will do the same thing, if not better, for the same price. Now, this one's got Intel technology built in. This one has internal antennas inside, has a cooling system inside. This has 4 gigabit LAN ports, and it's got a gigabit WAN port. This thing has awesome speeds, enhanced AI protection technology for security, bit forming. This thing's loaded, and it's easy to set up, and it looks nice, and it's going to work very well in the main level behind a bunch of pictures, so it's out of the way, but it's going to be great. So let's get this unboxed, see what it looks like, see all the contents inside, and then I'm going to get it installed in my AiMesh network as the third node for complete home network quality. All right, let's get it unboxed, see what's inside. Let's go. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed, see what's inside. But first, let's look at the packaging. This is your front. This is your side. Some good stuff. Lifetime protection with 24/7 security with AI protection by Trend Micro. Sweet. Advanced parental controls. This is a cool looking router, man. Dual band. AC2600. Very cool. Here's the specs. Amazing. All right, let's get this bad boy unboxed. You know what time it is. Black pin. Heck yeah, man. Full Wi-Fi AiMesh node technology. Amazing. Can't wait to install this. So there'll be no doubt that every floor in my home has the best Wi-Fi speed and connection for my CenturyLink gigabit fiber internet. All right, we got multiple plugs here. Okay, first box. What do we got in the first box? First thing you see, power on your router, instruction manuals, log in and connect. Okay. Having trouble? Stop what you're doing. Give us a call. Tells you what exactly the ports are in the back. What the lights indicate. Central LED. Ooh, there's lights in this thing. Starts breathing. Oh, you're talking about the blue lights up in the middle? Oh man, that's sweet. Very cool. All right. Ethernet patch cord, pretty standard stuff. And the power brick from Asus. Pretty standard. It's like the main unit right here. Wow. Wow. That is crazy. It's like a funnel of internet. How cool is this? Check this out, guys. Oh, check. What the? That's supposed to break like that. That's supposed to rip. Here we go. That is really freaking cool. That see-through. Man, if this lights up, that is badass. Asus. You got the power button right here, USB, all the ports, WPS, nice vents in the back to keep it cool. This is going to be perfect in the main room, right behind pictures, out of the way, but the quality is going to be mint. Awesome. Well, there it is, guys. Asus AC2600 as my AiMesh node. I'm going to install it now. Awesome. All right, guys, thanks for watching this unboxing video. If you have any questions, let me know below. I'm going to hook it up and enjoy the speeds in the living room. It's going to be great. All right, guys, you have a good night. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I will see you guys next time. Home theater rules. Raf out. See ya. All right, guys, there it is turned on. So you kind of see what the lights look like. It's awesome. Pretty sweet. It's the LED light tunnel, basically, is what I'm calling this bad boy. All right, guys, I recommend this thing. It's cool as hell. All right, guys, catch you later. See ya. All right, guys, real quick before I let you go. In order to turn this Blue Cave into an AiMesh node, you need to connect it to the internet, go to the router asus.com, upload the firmware, update the firmware, and then set it to AiMesh mode. And then it'll reset into AiMesh settings. And then I can unplug it, bring it upstairs, plug it back in, and then use my Asus app to add a node. And then it will find it, add it in, and then glory begins for full Wi-Fi connection. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video again. Like, subscribe, share. Comment below if you have any questions or if you like this stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.